Hi, my name is John from Excel Program Inventions. I would just like to take you through how to download and install our free SQL conversion tool. From the download page, the first thing you do is click on download and install, and then from there click here to download the save file. Now this is the save file version which you can unzip and FTP across to the 400 and then install it from there. So I'll go ahead and click on that. It asks me to save the file. Just save it to your desktop and click on save. Takes not very long at all. It's a pretty quick download, and then from your desktop what you'll have to do is unzip the zip file and drag and drop the contents, which is basically a save file and a text file with some instructions in it. So drag those out. You can close that, we don't need it. And then this is the save file we're going to FTP across to the 400 side. So at this point, jump across to the 400. What we will have to do is create a save file first. So from a command line, just type in create save file, CRTSAVF, do a F4 to prompt it, and call the save file EPI create SQL, and for ease of use just stick it in QGPL, press enter, and that's it. We've created a save file on the 400, and at this point jump back to Windows, and we're going to run FTP from Windows to load the downloaded save file into that save file in library QGPL. So I find the easiest way to do that is just click on the Start menu, then click on All Programs, Accessories, and Command Prompt, and then we can just invoke FTP from this point. If you change your current directory to desktop, it will save us having to kind of mess around with path names, and which can get quite convoluted. So just CD desktop, press enter, and once that directory is changed, just type in FTP and your IBM I system name, whatever it may be, or alternatively its IP address on the network. So ours is set up as IBM I, and then it will ask you to sign in. Just sign in with your user credentials, give it the password, and once we're logged in, it's important to change the mode to binary, because we're going to be dealing with a save file which is a stream file. And once that's done, all we have to do is put the save file across, which is put EPI create SQL dot save file, and we're going to put it across to QGPL / and the name of the save file we created in that library is EPI create SQL. Press enter, and it'll put it across. Shouldn't take it very long. There we go. It's copied it across, so we can just come out of this. And now jump back across the 400 side. If you do a display save file on that, you should see it's populated it with the library we need, and there we go. There it is. So from this point, all we need to do is a restore lib. Oops. And the save file, the saved library is EPI create SQL. and we specify the save file, which is the same name, and it's in library QGPL. And there we have it, it's restored the objects across. Now change your current library to EPI create SQL, and then if you just prompt the command, which is the actual SQL conversion tool, create SQL, do a prompt on it, and what you'll find is the first time you use it, it will ask you for a password. Just contact us at this point. We will need your serial number, and we'll email you or send you or give you a call with the password for your particular system, and that basically activates the tool, and it's yours to use for free.